I may cuss, but I don't curse. Let's get that situated first. Bars. Because I'm nice, but we know that already, right? So Pisces. Let's get into a reading for the Pisces Collective, the Cross Watchers. I know you're here too, but it's all good. You could be here. You should be here, and I thank you for being here. We're going to get right to it. 3-card draw ain't going to hold you long because you want to get right to it, right? I know you do. Cards are out here. I didn't bamboozle you. We start with the Prince of Swords, followed by the King of Swords, followed by the Five of Cups. Okay? Five of Cups. Now, hear me out. Hear ye, hear ye. You are in a position of power. You are in a position of authority right now. Forget about all of the hoopla that people say normally, or should I just say traditionally, about Pisces people being very emotional and sensitive and might want to cry. Listen, that's not this reading. It's not necessarily always true. It might even be true for some of you hearing this, and this message might still resonate with you. But at this particular time, that is not what's happening here. Pisces, your mind is your strongest asset. Let's be clear about this right now. Let's start there. All right? And you are in a position of power because of that, because of your intellect, because of how you are able to use your mind and take charge with your mind. I feel you may have manipulative powers as well, and they're strong, but nonetheless, you have a sense of righteousness to you, and you uphold it with a high regard, which kind of makes some people look at you like, I'm going to just keep it a bean. Like you tighten the ass or whatever the case may be. Hey, yo, but, it's probably a good thing, right? But you get what I'm saying, right? Some people don't want to be around you because of that. Or some people rather not talk to you right now because of how much you keep it a bean. I'm just keeping it a bean. You know what I mean? They don't want to hear that. They want to hear you be more not you, is pretty much what I'm saying. They want you to demote yourself, and it's just like, that's not happening because you're in the position of authority right now. And there's someone who is coming towards you. They may have even already, you know what I'm saying? And you're looking at this person, not suspiciously, but you're looking at them like, listen, you're hearing them out. They have things to say, and when they speak, you hear them almost trying to give themselves an excuse of why they should unravel, why they should sabotage something, why they should, lash out because society has done this to them, or, society is like this, therefore we got to do that, and things of that nature. And it's just like, you're watching them and you're hearing them and you're like, you're more on the lines of, listen, let society do what society does. You have potential, and if you stopped looking at the external world as they, owe you something, you will be close to being in a position that I am in. But it's not the easiest message to get across to this person because they're still in that venting stage when they talk to you. I'm being told to still listen to this person, still deal with it, but I'm not hearing to not be you. I'm not hearing to fall back and not tell them what you need to tell them. Tell them, keep it a bean, because that's why you are where you are. And I think they know that. I think they confide in you for that particular reason. And if you assist them in calming down, calming their tits, they can change and they can do some good. They will change and they'll do some good. I'm not saying that that's a promise, but I'm saying that's the position that you hold right now. So maintain that position. All right? Maintain that position that lets them know, look, I got a set of rules that I live by, that I abide by. I got a code. That's how I move. And I'm telling you, the way your attitude is, you're just going to hurt yourself. This person, what you're trying to save this person from, or derail this person from, get this person away from, is looking at the lost dreams and opportunities that they had. They are under the impression that, I'm getting at some of these people, for some of you, this person feels like they're too old to do something, totally not true. In fact, they could start their second childhood right now. Totally not true. But again, societal pressures, societal pressures of what an Instagram model should look like, and et cetera, those types of things. And it's just like, they had no idea. You, on the other hand, like I said, mentality is your strongest asset. You got the statistics and the data and all of that to show them, look, models, 72 years old, women, I've studied this myself, so I know but I'm serious. 72 years old, fashion models, getting paper, high grossing models. You get what I'm saying? So it's just like, no. And then, not that it has to be that profession, but I'm saying that's not the case. And you have the statistical data to prove it. So it's like speaking life into this person to let them know it's not over for you. It's not done for you. You just got to change your mindset. Change your mindset, you change your trajectory. Forget about the things that you didn't do and couldn't do. You can still do them. I feel like you're a guide for this person. I'm going to just keep it a bean. That's what you are. You're a guide and a support system for this person. I feel like you can't really give up the position. You're the king. I'm just keeping it a bean. It's here. It's right here. Until next time.